So hey guys, welcome back from another video, and today we are going to see the review of Realme Buds Air 3 Neo. So let us start with the packaging first. So in front we get this Dolby Atmos branding over here, and after that we have this Realme branding and some highlights mentioned on this box like 30 hours of playback time, 10 drivers and noise cancellation. So after that, let me open this box and show you the inside content of this box. So let me pull this lid, and after pulling it we have this earbuds in galaxy white color. So this is how it looks, and we have some other content as well. So this is the manual, and let me keep it aside. And after that we have some extra ear tips and a USB charging cable, which is a USB type A to type C, which is a very good thing because most of the device comes with a type C port in nowadays. So after that we have this user manual, which have some basic features, so you can read it if you want to know the features about this earphone. So let me keep this aside, and after that we don't have anything in the box. So let's move on the main earbuds. So this is how it looks in galaxy white color. So let's remove this plastic and talk about the design quality and the build quality of this product. So from design perspective, it is looking quite decent. So in the top you get this transparent design, and after that we have this glossy element, and you also get the Realme branding. So let me open it and show you how it looks. And you also get this charging indicator light. So let me take it and show you the how main earbud looks. So let me close it. By the way, this hinge quality is also very decent, so it will feel you sturdy. So let's see the design of the main earbud. So you get this glossy element in the side, and all the earbud comes with this matte white finish. So let's just talk about some features of this product. So you will get 10 drivers in this earphone, and you will get 120 minutes of playback if you will charge this earphone for 10 minutes. And if you will charge this earphone fully, so you will get a 30 hours of playback time as per the company. And you also get some extra features like noise cancellation and IPX waterproofing, which is very nice. So let me put it back and show you the quality of magnet. So you don't have to worry about it cause it will not fall easily. So let's just talk about some real life experiences with this earphone. So from sound quality wise, it is like pretty good. You will get 10 drivers, and this is sufficient for loudness, and the signature sound of the Realme is also very like little bit bass heavy. So these are very good in terms of sound quality, and also they are very lightweight. So approximately there is a weight of 7 to 8 grams per earphone. But I'm quite disappointed with the touch controls because in my personal opinion they are not working as good as they have to. So in my opinion, so it can be improved, but it is good if you don't use touch control much. So let's talk about the price. So under 2000 rupees, it is a great product. It can be recommended from my side. So if you are searching for that, you can check this out. The link is in the description. And if you have any other queries or related suggestions to our content, you can comment down below. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and let me guys see you in the next one.